Welcome back to another part. We're gonna watch the tiniest one where it spins like this.
3, 2, 1. Right.
Flash warnings is gonna be very flashy.
That's part 1. Wow. Just a fat wow.
Oh, there's two.
And there's 2 of them. Let's see. Holy crap, that's right.
Yeah, I feel bad for the people who what they have to do.
God, that's so bright.
It's not going out.
That felt like cops were like flashing their flashlights at us and just being like, just chasing after us.
Oh my God, it's so bright.
Very big.
Only 5 in a pack.
It's very cool.
It's cool, it's bright.
My hands are absolutely freezing.
My hands are freezing.
It looks in this camera angle. It looks like there's like it's filled. It looks like the pool is filled with water.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, flipped up.
Huh?
It said it flipped over.
I can't believe I'm squinting. This squint is real.
It's so small that you barely get the spark as much as that. Oh,
Oh.
that one failed. I wonder what happened.
Where's your phone?
Why?
Hey, flashlight.
I hate to use my flashlight.
Dead. Get back. Spider, hello.
You know, a better way to ask is, can you please move back?
Oh.
I'm fine, it's a dead.
Fuck. Dogs.